Nick, good day. It's like you are returning from the market.
You see your
Okay. You see, my name is Osom, but you can call me Nze for short.
Okay. I know your name is Osom.
Oh, you know?
Yeah.
Very good. Wonderful. You see, there is something I want to talk to you about. I don't know how you feel, you know?
Okay, I'm listening.
Okay. You see, it's not that I'm shy, yo. I speak very well. I'm a graduate.
It's alright, I'm listening to you. Say what it is you want to say.
Good, good. You see,
You are yet to say anything, and I'm still listening to you.
Okay. Can we be friends? Like boyfriend and girlfriend?
Me, Gine, or you wanted to ask somebody else that question?
No.
Me, Gine.
To you, yes.
Ugo wine. Naked. This one you're flying out this morning. It seems like you're going for work.
Naya Daji, you're not far from the truth. You know, we that work with government, we don't play with times. Look at the scenario here. If you are not running with time, then time is running with you. But in this condition now, we and the time, the two both of us, we are running.
You are so lucky to get work in this Obiako local government. It's not easy.
Yes, it isn't easy. The deed there is that you have hit the nail on the hammer. Yes, hence the qualification. That is why they call me PAMSES, local government. PAMSES, so permanent secretaries. Permanent secretaries. You will not understand. That is why the adage says, many we are called, few is choosing. See, Naya Daji, let me lecture you. Teacher you a little. You know I was once a teacher. Let me teacher you a little. You will not understand the capability of the work I does in the local government. You will not. No way. Not at all. Not now. Not ever. You will not understand it. As I'm talking to you here, I have copious of files piled up for me on the table. Once I'm done with the files, I move it to where? To the balance sheet. I'm gonna balance. Yeah, I'm wrong. Till further notice. Then from balance sheet, it did not end there. You take it back to bookkeeping. That keep weighing going. I'm wrong. But at the venture, you commit any offense. I'm going to what do you find? On top of the table, you will only get a memorandum. But memorandum, it depends on the heaviness of your offense. I'm an offense, I'm to referendum. Please.
Obako, come, let me give you a ride.
Please, please and please. Please. government, local government. I cannot consider solely to enter a motor car. No, not now, not ever. I would rather prefer a jeep. Yes. You want people to see me inside this vehicle? I rather trek. It's very beneficial to my health.
Rather trek. Come, let me give you a ride. Ojukwe Jaba, come in. Our local government is still too far from here.
You want me to enter this motor car? You want people to see me? Me, Uba, local government. Who does not know me in this town? Unless the person just came new. If the person just came new, you want them to see me here. Carry this about to get away from here. I don't want to enter. Let me tell you, before you get to the headquarters, you see me inside the office.
You don't even have any. You will keep making noise. Even wheelbarrow you can afford. Wheelbarrow you can afford.
Hey.
Come, let me give you a ride.
Idiot of no comparison. Undesirable element. Australopithecus africanus. It's very lucky. Asim G. My vocab book. I didn't mean I came out with my vocab book. You have seen the other side of me. When I'm tired.
Very stupid. You are nothing but a fool.
Me?
Yes, you are nothing but a fool. You don't know anything about vehicles, okay?
Huh?
Yes, you don't know anything about
I
vehicles.
know about gym.
What did you call it?
It's a gym. That's what it's called. A gym.
Oh my God. Please, it is pronounced cheap. Say it after me. Cheap.
Ashingo. I got an vocab. Get an vocab, make it like Aglangua. Not now, not ever. Jim!
Oh. Like I said, you don't know anything about vehicles. My fuel got finished, that's all. I just need fuel, nothing else. Fool.
Let me tell you, I have money. I have money. Local government. I have money. If you see the kind of money I have with stock exchange, I put my money there. When I bring it out, I change it. Oh yeah, stock exchange. I mean, I want me. A guy 1 minute. And if you see the kind of guy I'm chanting with, chanting. You think I don't know why you're wasting my time here? So that I can help you push your motor car.
God forbid.
Let me tell you, if you not have seen me here, if not that I entered there to do one or two things, you would have just seen me.
Okay, you went to meet your witchcraft set of people.
I went to see bush.
You went to see bush.
Yes.
What are you doing in the bush? Please allow me. Let me look for who will help me buy fuel, please. Fool. I know why I always keep calm in this office. I don't want to sack you, because God will not be happy with me. If not, I know what to do. I know what to do, but not to worry. Fool. Oh, good morning, ma'am. How are you? Don't mind the fool. She's just a witch. She's just a fool. Don't mind the fool. She's a witch. She's a fool. Because I am her boss. She's always jealous of me. The kind of salary I earn in my office, 10 times of it, she can't even get out of one. She can't get even half out of one. She's just a fool. My dear, sorry, my tail got finished. Can you help me buy fuel?
Why not? What are we doing? My friend, see, instead of helping you to go and buy food, I can help you push it to the police station. My friends are here, they can help you.
Okay, yes. So push it.
Come on for them.
What is it?
See, madam, talk twice. Talk twice before you walk.
Oh, black man. You cannot help anybody without money. You can't render any help without money. Why? Okay, no problem. No problem. How much do you want, please?
Yeah. Madam, just 2,000. Before you open your eye, 2,000.
Just 2,000. 2,000 is the problem.
Simple.
Don't worry, I'll pay you guys 3,000. You're 3, 1, 2, 3, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. I'm going to give you 3 of these 3,000. Push the vehicle, please. Thank you.
Hey, mama, 3,000. Pushing things. Look at you. 3,000. It's a big one. I didn't mean you open your mouth. You have come 10,000. Let's push. Let's push it. Push it.
Since morning you left here, Becky. Where have you been? Oh, Idagobi. You can't talk again, okay? Where have you been? I said, where have you been?
Stop shouting, man. Must you shout?
Yes, sir! I must shout! I will shout because you deserve to be shouted at. Where have you been? Early in the morning, you woke up in what? Somewhere now, walk umba. Chotol umba. Mayor umba. Look at you. Shameless old man. Eh? Shameless. Akati.
You can call me any name you like. I don't care. If you like, call me goat. Call me dog. Call me fowl. In fact, call me who. I don't care. But what I want to tell you that you are not God. Mama, you are not God. When it is time for God to bless me, He will. Because the Bible said that God help those whom He loves, even when they are sleeping. So even when I have nothing to do, God will locate me and bless me.
Onyala, the same Bible says, help helps those who help themselves. In a help, you will never see that help. Okay? Old man, I cannot be feeding you like that. Yeah, in short, go and sleep. Take. Sleep. Okay now. We sweep this place. I cannot be feeding an old man like you, Papa. Come and sleep.
What is it? You sent for. You know I don't like this. You should tell me what it is. Okay.
Thanks for coming into hospital. Just like you said, if it were before, you give reasons why you don't go out in the night. For coming, thank you very much.
Now tell me, what is it?
And please, I want you to help me. Ask my mother here. Ask her what I did to her that she hates me so much. Why does she like calling me names all the time? What have I done wrong to her? If she don't want me to stay here, let her disown me so that I will go elsewhere and look for somebody to call my mother.
Have it, young. Shut up, foolish boy. Look at your mouth. You know nonsense. You're sick.
Okay, it's okay. Nze, let me start by correcting one issue. No parent in this world hates his child.
Oh, Therefor, we are.
A parent is happy when the child is doing well, and unhappy when the child is not doing well at all. What your mother sitting down here is doing, talking to you, reacting to you the way she does, is because she loves you, and she wants you to make her happy. And make your father, my late brother's blessed memory, to be happy wherever he is. And he said that you were named after him. He said, dear Lord, go and get married and start having children. And stop fooling around. Stop running around. Go and settle down.
So this is what you left your house to come and say here. Somebody call you to come and intervene in a serious matter like this, and all you could say is, in fact, Uncle, I'm very, very disappointed in you. I'm very, very disappointed in you. But let me tell both of you. You think I don't have plans? Oh, you think I'm useless? Don't worry. When my plans will mature, both of you will see it.
You heard it. He said,
Hey, what kind of stupid plans come with? Eh? What kind of stupid plans? There's sometimes I ask God why he had to punish me with a son like this.
You cannot question it. You just heard it so much say that he asked you. Maybe that is plan is to get married. Maybe he gets married and he is happy. You will change. The world will change it. Just like you changed my daughter. You know my mother was like this. Have you forgotten? Before you got married. Because when you send me to my brother's garden, so let us go to my brother. The deal is that that is plan. Plans. Take it over this.
It's a good morning. It's a good morning. I said good morning. Your mother you were supposed to greet is now greeting you first. Morning, sir. The wine. That girl I told you that will be coming from Baga will come today. I want to go to the market to buy something to cook. I will use a cooking for her. If you like, when she comes, okay, so prepare yourself. You look okay. Okay, I'm going to the market.
Mama, you gather all the expired ladies in this village to marry. Don't worry, I will be here. They will come, and I will also be here. All of them will go. Don't beg a fire, man, and Hannah, for this house. So they come. Wait.
Please, madam, I'm going to Mazin Zeribe's house. The one that the son is now bearing his name as Nze.
Madam, are you talking to me?
Yes, now.
Me, madam. Also, me and Kwago. Eju was so one na ina for me 100 no go. Eh? Do I look like signboards? Eh? Me, Oba in local government. A PAM says in the local government, calling me madam. Oh, you're just an idiot of no comparison. Undesirable element. Australopithecus africanus. Agapula na vocab makagiga igef. If you try this kind of thing in my office, to God who made me and you must write memorandum, if not referendum. Madam, do you know the house of Efejishik and the Mountain of Fire?
What is wrong with them? Why are they all right?
What kept you so long? Eh? I've been waiting for you since.
Okay. Mama, I've been walking around this whole village asking for the address. Everybody is just very angry here. But thank God.
Thank God, Mama. No. No, no. Oh, on your tongue. Go live. Oh, no. Nze! Nze! Bia. Hey! Remember the girl from our bag and that I told you about? Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, Kuleba. Now, Maricha won't want him, but I live free. Jenso. Live free. Go sit teacher Siadiruka. Madam Mandeza.
Madam, you're welcome. How are your children?
Children, what?
Say, madam.
Wait, oh. Did I hear you just call me madam? Hey! I'm still a virgin, oh.
Akwaza. Nese.
Tantam. Anya beda anya. Fresh baby.
Inugia.
Tata. I'm on the bag.
Mama, what is it now? Why is your son insulting me?
Stop insulting her. I'll give them a
Mama, there's no problem. She's the wife you found for me. I know they can do so much. Madam dear, you're welcome. What will happen now is I'll go inside and bring the paper. Fill it, stating 10 good reasons why you want me to marry you or why you want to be my wife. Then after the whole thing, you will sign a very strong signature on it. Otherwise, no marriage. But if you sign well and state well, everything will be stateable.
What is he saying
Just sit down, relax. Very comfortable. He said he doesn't want me to be around him. So let's continue this. On your tamo!
Which music are you dancing? Talk to me now. Who is playing the music you are dancing? I'm talking to you.
No, I'm not dancing. I'm writing.
You are writing and you know music is banded prayer warrior. So you mean only to write in a listening note? Come on, write quick. Wait. Or we see your cook on this the 9 is that the reason why you want to marry me?
Give me this. Let me go home in the night. I will write down my reasons, not only 10, 20, 30, 50. As long as you marry me.
So, I should have taken you to the bush, beside the desert, or under the bed, for you to write out just ordinary 10 reasons. I mean, she
Going out to it.
Going out is different. I'm going to put this in the next paper. $20 million.
100 million. Oh, no. Diara, you can get 100 million sleeping. Eh? Look at the time. Open up your shop. This is your farm. Eh? At this time of the day, you never alarola. When other well-meaning people, none of their farms and their shops. Now, Bambo. Meta is 10 million. Idiot. The Onyara want 10 million. Eh? You're still a child. Stupid boy. I will not forgive you. Mama without carrying my grandchildren. And I'm sure that your father, wherever he is, will never forgive you.
Mama, please stop. Mama, stop. What is it, Seb? Eh? Why is it that you keep on tormenting me with that name, Papa? Do I look like somebody that has a father? Okay, what has he done for me so far? They used to live for their son before they died. Where are the houses? Where are the cars that other parents live for their son before they die? All he left for me is name, Nze. Tell me, what has the name Nze given to me so far? You are here telling me, father. Eh? Imagine the dream I'm having now, you just cut it off. The people I was having meeting with in the dream. Look at Dangote, Rocha Sokorocha, even Kennedy Chuku and Izuchuku. All of them gathered, we are counting money and you just spoiled it.
Rocha Sokorocha, Kennedy Chuku, Dangote, all of them are still sleeping at this time of the day. You will make millions sleeping. What up you say about? Eh? When I make it, it's not going to do anything.
Is it not Rochas and Dangote the man? Plenty top ministers.
Hey, Iba Chiki. Iba! Let me go and buy you medicine, oh? It's Iba I make it. They want 100 million lying down here at this time of the day. Yeah, but my Dangote and Kennedy Chukuna Rocha Sokorocha, Narahura by this time. In a women. Get off from there.
I will make it. I must make it. You are not my God. You are not my God. You keep tormenting me. Do you want to iterate of whom? What is your own self? Huh? Look at the dream I'm having now. This is gone.
Listen, where are you going?
I want to see somebody. I'm coming.
What is inside the nylon you're carrying?
Oh, it's my clothes. I want to change on my way. Once I get closer to the place I'm going, I don't want to be stained. I want to look fresh to meet the person I'm going to see. So that is why I have it.
No, you will not miss her, oh? That's very good. Really, sir.
Thank you very much.
I pray you come back with positive results. Oh?
That is it. This is what I'm talking about. This is my mother talking to me. This is a mother talking to her son. With this voice you used to my mother, I will give you every best from me. Not all the time shouting at me, whoa, 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 how bomb can get up. Don't worry, by the time I come back, you see a different person from it. Please, grant his heart's desire.
Imo, how are you?
I am fine.
Asawa, it's like you're washing.
No, I'm singing.
Very funny. Is that your mommy's clothes or yours?
It's for your dry cleaner.
Oh. Anyway, you see, I came to find out I came to get back the report of the other day's discussion. Because the way you left me, I know you must have decided to go home and think about what I said. Then try to get back to me. That is why I said, let me come to your father's house and then get back my report. And I know it must be on my favor. You know, as I was coming too, I decided to get you something very special. Very, very important. To show you how I love you. My love to you and my fidelity to you. So that is why I bought this. So please, accept it from me.
You bought something for me?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Open it.
Oh, come on. I love surprising people a lot. Just go ahead and open it.
Thank you for this surprise, eh? Open it.
You mean I should open it?
Yes.
Oh, Tom. I want more. See, I am very, very sorry. You see, I don't know what happened, but it must have fallen on the road when I was coming. Yeah, but other pronouns on Benabia. So I want you to keep this one. Maybe I will go back and then look for the second one. Maybe when I was coming, something might have transpired on the road.
Me?
Yes.
I should take one leg of that used thing so that you go back. Is there something wrong with you?
Oh.
If you don't know where you're meant to go to and zuzu around, go and look for someone else there and don't come near me.
Is this the love I promised you? Or please, I'm not Kegi. I gave you shoe, you promised one.
Which shoe? Are you? Don't bother me. Go away!
Chaba man. It's your love hard though. Love
Alright, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.